the domain flipping strategy that can make you rich. If you're seeking a path to financial success, domain flipping could be your gateway to wealth. The process involves buying domain names at low prices and selling them later at a profit. While it may seem straightforward, mastering domain flipping requires a deep understanding of market dynamics, trends, and strategic execution. Let's delve into the 10 crucial aspects of domain flipping that can pave your way to riches. 10. Understand what domain flipping is. Domain flipping is akin to real estate investing, but in the digital world. The essence of domain flipping is to purchase domain names at relatively low costs and then sell them at a higher price. Domains are essentially website addresses, and just like physical real estate, some domains are more desirable and valuable than others. For instance, a domain name such as healthsupplements.com is far more valuable than a generic one like mysupplementwebsite.com due to its relevance and potential for high traffic. Successful domain flippers identify these valuable domains, often leveraging factors such as keyword popularity, brandability, and simplicity to make informed buying decisions. 9. The key is finding valuable domains. To excel in domain flipping, you must be adept at identifying domains with high potential value. Several key characteristics make a domain valuable. Short and simple. Shorter domains are easier to remember, type, and share. A domain like tech.com is far more desirable than a lengthy one such as the best technology solutions available online.com. Brandable. Brandable domains are unique, catchy, and easy to pronounce. They are ideal for businesses looking to establish a strong online presence. For example, Zapify.com is more brandable than zapitnow.com. Keyword rich. Domains that contain popular keywords relevant to high-demand industries or niches are valuable. For example, luxurycarsforsale.com is more appealing to a car dealership than a generic domain. Domains with these qualities are generally more sought after and can command higher prices when sold. 8. Research market trends before buying. Understanding market trends is essential for domain flipping. By staying informed about current and emerging trends, you can identify domains that will likely increase in value. For example, if a new technology or health trend is on the rise, domains related to these topics could become highly valuable. Utilize tools like Google Trends to track popular search queries and industry news to stay ahead of trends. Social media platforms, industry reports, and online forums are also valuable sources of information. By aligning your domain purchases with current or future trends, you can acquire domains that are more likely to appreciate in value. For instance, with the rise of remote work, domains related to remote work tools or home office setups could become highly valuable. By anticipating these trends, you can make strategic investments in domains that align with these growing markets. 7. Buy domains on established marketplaces. Once you've identified valuable domains, you need to know where to buy them. Established domain marketplaces such as GoDaddy Auctions, Sedo, Namecheap, and Flippa are reputable platforms where you can purchase domain names. These platforms offer a range of domains, including expired ones and those being auctioned. When buying domains, always use trusted platforms to avoid scams. Some marketplaces also offer features like domain appraisal, which can help you gauge a domain's potential value and avoid overpaying. By leveraging these tools and resources, you can make more informed purchasing decisions and maximize your investment potential. 6. Avoid overpaying for domains. One of the biggest mistakes in domain flipping is overpaying for domains. While it's tempting to spend heavily on a domain that seems valuable, it's crucial to stick to a budget. Overpaying can erode your profit margins and may even result in a loss if the domain does not appreciate in value as anticipated. As a beginner, it's wise to set a budget and avoid spending more than $500 on a single domain initially. Focus on acquiring domains that offer the best value for your money. Once you gain more experience and develop a better understanding of the market, you can consider investing in higher value domains. Setting a clear budget helps you avoid making impulsive purchases and ensures that you remain within your financial limits. Additionally, it encourages you to be More strategic and selective about the domains you choose to invest in. Fifth, hold on to domains for maximum profit. Domain flipping isn't always about making a quick sale. Often, holding on to a domain for a longer period can yield greater profits. Domains related to emerging trends or industries may not be in high demand immediately, but could become highly sought after as the market evolves. Patience is a critical component of successful domain flipping. Many experienced domain flippers hold on to their domains for months or even years, waiting for the right buyer or market conditions to sell. By being patient and allowing your domains to appreciate in value, you can maximize your returns. Fourth, market your domains for sale. Once you've acquired valuable domains, effective marketing is essential to attract potential buyers. Listing your domains on domain marketplaces is a good start, but don't rely solely on these platforms. To increase visibility and attract buyers, consider additional marketing strategies. Reach out directly to businesses or individuals who might benefit from owning your domain. For example, if you own a domain like onlinemarketingtips.com, you could contact digital marketing agencies, bloggers, or content creators who may be interested in purchasing the domain. 3. Know when to sell. Timing plays a crucial role in domain flipping. Knowing when to sell your domains can significantly impact your profitability. If you receive a fair offer that aligns with your profit goals, it may be wise to accept it, especially if you believe the domain has reached its peak value. Monitor market trends and the demand for your domains regularly. If you notice increased interest in a particular industry or keyword, it might be a good time to list your domain for sale. Conversely, if the market appears saturated or demand is declining, it may be beneficial to hold on to the domain for a while longer. Assessing market conditions and being attuned to changes in demand will help you make informed decisions about when to sell. 2. Watch out for scams and legal issues. Like any investment, domain flipping comes with risks. Be vigilant about potential scams and fraudulent activities. Always use reputable platforms and verify the legitimacy of the domains you're purchasing. Scammers may try to sell stolen or fake domains, so it's essential to conduct thorough due diligence before making a purchase. Additionally, be cautious of legal issues related to trademark infringement. Purchasing domains that infringe on existing trademarks or intellectual property can lead to legal disputes and financial penalties. Conduct a comprehensive trademark search before buying a domain to ensure it does not violate any intellectual property rights. 1. Persistence and strategy lead to success. The most important lesson in domain flipping is that persistence and strategic planning are crucial for success. Building a profitable domain flipping business requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to adapt to market changes. Successful domain flippers invest time in researching market trends, acquiring valuable domains, and developing effective marketing strategies. They understand that not every domain will sell immediately, and they are prepared to wait for the right opportunities. By continuously refining their strategies and staying informed about industry developments, they build a thriving business over time. Persistence, strategic thinking, and a commitment to learning are essential qualities for achieving success in domain flipping. By embracing these principles, you can turn a modest investment into significant wealth and build a successful domain flipping business. Subscribe for more.